let's just use a sum ifs. Look at this, we have two sum ifs. I'm not going to talk about sum if, just only one if. Sum ifs. Okay, I'm just counting, for example, how many unit we sold it. Let's just count unit here. All right, that's number of unit. That's one. Okay, I just want to do the first criteria, the first condition. I just want to know about the product. Okay, I'm just not writing like this. B2, that's product 1, until B200. That's condition 1. When the product, B200, when the product is oil. Okay, that's one if. Again, when it's coming from, let's say, region. All right, let's see, it's a C2 to C200, and the region is west. Look at this, how many unit we sold it from oil in west. Okay, that's look at this, it's not counting, it's gonna sum this number. Be careful when you're writing or doing the summation, you have to choose the numbers. If you are choosing the text, it's not counting text for you. You have to, it's not summation, sorry, it's counting text, but it's not summing text for you. That's why we are going to talk about summation. It's gonna go to do the summation for you. All right, let's just do it. For example, in oil again, product region. Okay, that's one. Let's say in user. Okay, let's have this again, oil here, product, and west we have region. And let's add one more condition for area and for names. It's A, B, C, D, D2 to D200. That's the number of the row, we have it. And let's see, that's a user. D2, D200 is okay. We can have, oh yeah, this is something I think here wrong. All right, is 0. Why? Because we didn't write anything. Oil and region is west, and the user is Aryan Ahmed. Okay, we already sold oil, 81 oils from west to Aryan Ahmed. If you write, let's say, Bakhan Ali, we already sold 100. We can just same as the other one, we can just have more condition. First, it's a region, it's a place, we want to count it. Maybe we want to count the money. You can just put the this one here. Sorry, we can just put a G, from G to this one, and instead of F, if you want to calculate the sales, the money. But we want to calculate the unit for now. It's just put in like that. It's very easy, and you can just have condition number 1, condition number 2. You can just have more condition, for example, from which customer, which within which date. That's very simple and easy. I hope it's going to be clear for you.